everyone, I'm Alushba Khan, the AI trailblazer, and today I'm going to demonstrate how you can make ChatGPT machine using ChatGPT. Well, of course, we are going to make a ChatGPT machine on ChatGPT, but not the way you are thinking. Like, I won't be using my brain. I won't be implementing my idea. I won't be doing any thinking. I will make ChatGPT do all the work. That is, in this video, I will show you how I ask ChatGPT what to input in my ChatGPT machine instruction panel, how to construct or how to format my instruction panel, and how can I make my own ChatGPT machine better. These all tasks will be performed by ChatGPT itself. For example, it is like ChatGPT giving information or instructions to itself only. So let's start. You can see here I have already made some ChatGPT machines for my own usage, but right now I am going to start a new one. So for example, you are a YouTuber yourself and you want to do YouTube SEO, or you are a very busy person in content creation and you are not an SEO expertise. So of course we can take ChatGPT's help, but how can we get the most out of ChatGPT? That is by making our own specified, our own custom ChatGPT machine, and that is what I'm going to teach you in this video. So let's start. For example, in this video I'm making a YouTube SEO GPT machine. Okay, so let's start with a simple prompting that I'm going to do with ChatGPT itself. First, I am going to take out the instruction panel. I'm going to form an instruction panel through ChatGPT. So let's start by saying, first of all, we are going to tell what I want in my ChatGPT machine. Okay, why am I making it for? So let's say I want to make a GPT machine for my YouTube SEO and video script writing. So right now I have two main purposes of my GPT machine, that is doing YouTube SEO for my titles and thumbnails, etc., and also writing video script. So let's start with YouTube SEO for thumbnail and titles and video script writing. What is the best instruction panel I can train my GPT machine on to get the best output and to get the most custom and personalized information? So I'm going to start with giving it my own information so that it can construct an instruction panel for me only. So let's start with, I am a YouTuber who makes AI content, that is AI news, AI tools, tutorials and updates. My YouTube channel name is, as you all know, AI powered Alushba Khan. You can give yours, and you also need to tell your own name, so that it will be quite personalized when it is made at the end. So whatever you want to input, how you want to customize, you can give all the information to ChatGPT so that it can construct a very, very unique and personalized construction panel just for you. Okay, it is telling me what objectives and what subjects should I be including in my instruction panel. That is defined, we have to define a clear objective, that is the specific goals for my ChatGPT machine, and we have to gather and curate training data, create detailed instruction set, personalization and branding, okay, ethical considerations, testing and optimization. Okay, so these are the things I have to consider when I'm instructing a ChatGPT machine. So let's start with, so I'm not going to do all this work. I'm going to ask ChatGPT again to do this for me. I'm going to say, consider these as the base for my instruction to GPT machine and generate a final input paragraph for me that I can directly train my GPT machine on. So what am I doing? That I took information from GPT and I'm going to give this information to train my GPT machine. Let's start. It is going to give me a paragraph, a final, you can say a thesis, or a proper instructions. Final input paragraph that is customized only and only for my YouTube channel, because I am doing YouTube SEO for my YouTube channel. I am going to write scripts that will be quite personalized and customs according to my needs and according to my audience needs. So here's the final input paragraph that encapsulates, okay, develop a GTP based model to assist in creating SEO optimized, engaging and brand aligned. Okay, these were the things that I want from ChatGPT, and it has given me quite right. So I'm just going to copy it, and right here you can see the button explore on the left bar. I'm going to click it, and there are many GPT machines that are here. These are some I made, and now I'm going to create a new one by clicking create a GPT, and see this interface opens. Now on the right side I have a preview. As I input information into my GPT machine on the left side, it is going to update it, and I can actually check it or try it out on the right. So let's input it. So I'm going to paste it and enter. So what am I doing? I don't need to construct it or prompt chain it over here again and again. I have constructed a full final personalized instruction panel from ChatGPT only, and I'm going to give it to, okay, it is ready. Okay, it is saying that how about we name AI content assistant. That's a good one. Yes. Okay, so it is saying SEO and brand content creator for AI powered Alishba Khan YouTube channel. So my GPT machine is ready on the right side. You can give a few tries to check whether it is giving your desired answers, your desired info, or whatever you want. And see, so what I did, I can now create the YouTube video you are watching right now, or you might be watching in the future. I will be planning it using this GPT machine only. It will write my scripts, it will make my thumbnail, it will write my title and all the things, and I just have to sit in front of camera and make a YouTube video. That's so quick. That's how ChatGPT has made our life so easy. So let's start with a custom instruction, that is generate a video title about the latest. Okay, let's go with the first one. Generate a video title about the latest AI tool. Let's see how is it answering. Okay, that's a perfect title. Revolutionize tech, unveiling the newest AI tool in 2024. So you see, if you see this video title, you would think that this is the latest update, the latest tool, because it is talking about 2024. So ChatGPT knows how to grab the audience. So I'm going to ask, write a short video script for me for a 5 minutes YouTube video. Okay, right over here, when I have completely made my ChatGPT, I can also set the tone that I want. This will set the tone I'm setting will be the tone it will give me my script in, the titles will be in, or the way it talks to me. So if I set the tone to, for example, the tone should be, or if you want to change the tone again and again for each and every video, I can simply input it in my daily basis in my GPT machine's prompt, that is, the tone should be enthusiastic. Let's see how this goes. I have asked for a 5-minute YouTube video. So it is giving me a second by second. Like over here we have an intro of 30 seconds. Then we have part 1 of body. Background shifts to dynamic AI themed visual. See how quick is it? Can't you do it yourself? You can. What is the biggest benefit of GPT machines is that you can alter it, you can customize it according to your own needs, and it can be made for each and everything. For example, you are a copywriter, you can make a GPT assistant for your copywriting. You can ask it different taglines, different sales copies, or different anything, any hooks, whatever you want. You can ask ChatGPT. You can give. Okay, if you want to make the best GPT, how can we make the best GPT machine? That is, the more information you give it, the best results it will give. So my 5-minute video is ready. You might see this video with this only script in future, maybe, or I might alter it. I might ask something. If you don't like it, you can give more instructions. You can retry it, whatever you want. So I was telling, how can you make the best GPT machine? The more information you give to it about your own self, the best outcome it gives. That is, if you, for example, you're going to tell it your age, your audience type, your, whatever you're targeting, what kind of audience you're targeting, what's the gender or the age of audience you're targeting, it is going to give more specific script, more specific audience, or more specific titles or YouTube topics. So what are you waiting for? Go and make your own GPT machine. If out of your busy hectic schedule, you can take 15 to 20 minutes or maybe 10 minutes to make this GPT machine, and you won't have to scroll and search for different YouTube ideas or topics for your video. Go and make it, and whatever you make, comment down, or how this video was helpful, comment down, share, and save it. Give a big thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you.